Hi, today I'm going to show you how we can make a flying sprite. This time I'm going to use Parrot as the sprite. Okay, I'm just going to show you how it look like. So we're going to make a flying sprite Parrot. Okay, so let's just straightforward. Let's just create it. Creating project, creating blocks, and it will come like this, an empty. The default sprite will be the cat, so we just remove it because we need Parrot. So everything you can see here, animals, people, fantasy, and everything. So we're just going to select Parrot because Parrot is an animal, right? But my Parrot is quite big, so I want to make it a little bit smaller. So let's put 85. Yeah, that looks good. And I want a backdrops. Okay, Parrot usually flying outdoors, so let me just put a simple blue sky. There you go. So before we start the coding, let's just rename our project is Flying Parrot. Flying Parrots. Alright. So the task is for this parrot fly from this side to this side, straight. Okay. But as you can see, it has only one style, right? It doesn't move. So even though if it's moved, then ideally the wings will not go down or anything because it just only have one style. For each and every sprite, we can go to costume, we can see, oh, there you go. I have and how we can apply that, let's just first name the wings. Okay, this is going to wings up, and the other one says wings B, because the wings is going down, wings down, sorry, down. So there you go. Okay, so why it's now the wing is getting down, right? Because I leave my mouse here. So if again I leave my mouse here, it will start it with up. So yeah, it's up. So the first coding that we're going to apply for this sprite is there will be options here. Motion is for the movement, looks is for what the visual, sounds is what we can hear, talk and something like that. Okay. Sorry, looks, and then events. Okay, and the control panel, sensing. Okay, whenever it touches something, it turns to something, and so on and so on. So you can just explore each of these by time when you're practicing. So first we're going to apply the first instruction. So this is just like a button. So when you click the green button, how it will start, how you want it to start. So the next instruction we will be putting, we want this to move, to start from this end to this end, right? So here we can say that the x is this one, and y is 0, y is 2, x is 177, and y is 2, right? So we're just going to apply that the same formula. Let's check. Okay, so it's already the same. So we're just going to put this. The next instruction, it has the costumes, right? It has the costumes, so I want this to change. So let us change the costumes. Looks. Okay. Switch costumes to wing down, right? It will change the costume. It's currently now wings up, and I need it to be wing down later on, right? So next we move to move. I want it to be move, right? Because if we we start the green button, it's just one movement, right? But it's not moving from this end to this end, right? Right. See, I want this move up and down simultaneously like this. Currently what happen is, if you have only this code, this what will happen, nothing much. So I'm going to put this to control panels. I want the next activity to be repeated, wings up, wings down, and it will be flying eventually. So let's just again switch the costume. Oh, first we need to make it move, right? We need to make it move. Let's make it move, let's say 10 steps. No, because I want from this end to this end, it might take like 30 steps perhaps. Okay, let's see. And the next coding will be sorry, I wanted to switch the costume. I wanted to switch, keep on switching, you know. I want to keep on switching, so let me just put this looks. Okay, I wanted to keep on switching. And after that, let's just try. So it's down. If we put wings up, it's up, right? So that's how it looks. We don't want that. We want all equal, up and down, up and down. Okay. So the next step will be switch the costume to down, right? Okay. Switch the costume to down. Okay. Let's see. Okay. But this doesn't look right. So I'm just going to put a gap in between. Let's try. Okay, the bird is actually flying now, but the problem is it's too slow. So let's just put, let's say, second, 0.2 second. 0.2 seconds. It's like very, yeah, it, it's, now it flies perfectly. But I want it until to this corner, right? So there's a problem with the steps. So let's make it like 40 steps. Right. So now our bird is flying as required, right? From this end to this end, let's start again. There you go. It's flying. Uh, now, but the bird is stuck at that end, so I want the bird continuously flying, you know, like making around things. So we can always do like this. Duplicate. Put it here. So what happens if we duplicate the blocks? It will repeat exactly what we wanted, how we want it, right? One time, two time, because I duplicate only one time the block, right? So there you go. We can always have it in the full screen mode. Like, there you go. So pull it here, we're doing the same thing, etc. Can stop it here. Alright, so, and then we save the project, and that's about it. Thank you.